Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been so long since I last shared a video. With the pandemic, with moving, with traveling, there has just been so much going on. Not to mention that there are so many social platforms now like TikTok, IGTV, stories. So I'm just like figuring out what I'm most comfortable with and what types of content to share on each platform. But long story short, I'm so glad to be back. So I've been living in Pittsburgh for about 3 months now and I absolutely love it. Like, we did not even expect to like it this much. I'll probably do another video another time just about updates and things to do here, or even just like a Q&A. Anyway, I wanted to share this video, kind of like a nighttime hangout routine. So pretty much my husband has started 2 weeks of night float shifts. So what that means is that he's working at night from like 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and then he comes home, sleeps, eats, gets ready, goes back to work, and it's just been a hectic cycle for him. That's why sometimes I end up just going to St. Louis and I'm like, oh, I'll hang out with my family. But today I'm going to show you guys like what I do on a typical evening when he is at a night shift. So the first thing is getting some comfy clothes. I actually walked to Aerie because the city has so many little cute shops around. I walked in and they had this really nice tie-dye set, which I didn't even know that they carried like loungewear, I would say. So it's like around 7:30 now and I just want to, you know, get some fuel for the rest of my night. So I'll either have a cup of coffee or tea. I made a cup of coffee now, but I just made it black, like no cream or sugar. I typically don't drink coffee like after maybe 8:30 or 9, which people might think is still really excessive that you're drinking one at 7, but you know, caffeine is life. And I also like to make like a little fruit plate. I think it just like, you know, treat yourself. I always buy so much fruit and then I remember that I live in a household of 2 people, so I can't really consume that much fruit. That's a lot of watermelon. So I'm currently working on a few campaigns this month and I just need to finish making some product selections, sending back some contracts. I've also been just doing a little bit of online shopping for the house. There's a lot of things to do that have been taking an excessive amount of time and longer than they should.
Or else I die. Oh, my name.
Hey, what's up? Oh, nothing. I want to talk to Bebo, but I think you guys are busy, right? He's sleeping?
Wow.
I know. I thought about how I should probably go work out. In the meantime, I'm actually booking a flight to St. Louis just for next week, just to go for like 5 days and let my husband chill by himself. What gets tricky at this time too is that most of my work needs to be done early in the morning versus his work is late at night. Lately, I've been taking my work and going to the conference room we have in the building, so that's really nice. But I always feel like I'm not comfortable either because he's sleeping and I'm not trying to be loud. Plus, it's always nice to go to St. Louis in this time because it's nice weather. And I feel like here, especially just moving here new, it's hard to make like long-term friends in such a short amount of time, especially because of COVID. So you're really not able to meet new people. And it's just like, how do you make new friends as an adult? I'm very thankful I have relatives living close by that I get to see very often. So apparently there's no more nonstop flights between St. Louis and Pittsburgh. Looking around. I just got home, so I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I will show you my nighttime skincare routine.
Alright, so here I am out the shower. I made sure not to wash off my face so I could do it here with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out my makeup cleanser, my face wash, my exfoliant, acne cream, and my serums. I first start off with the Fresh Beauty makeup cleanser, which literally melts away all my makeup. Just scrub it on a wet face. Next, I go in with the Cloudy face wash, which feels so good on my skin, and I scrub that all over and rinse my face again. After, I'll go in with the Fresh Beauty exfoliant, which I do about like 2 times a week, and scrub that all over my skin to get rid of the dead skin cells. Next, I'll wipe away any leftover residue of my eye makeup with some micellar water. Lately, I've been obsessed with the Guerlain Youth Serum, which is from their Honey collection, and I use both parts of it. I use the oil first on my face and scrub that all over, and then I use the serum part, which I like to get in all of the areas to prevent aging. Lately, I was dealing with some breakouts, so I got this dermatologist prescribed acne medication, which works wonders on my skin. Just top it off with some chapstick, and that is my nighttime skincare routine. Thanks for watching.